Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing an impartial review of the 11 kitchen gadgets you can buy online. These options have been handpicked through extensive research and testing to suit a variety of needs, whether you're looking for affordability, performance, or specific features. To make it easy for you, I've categorized these products based on different buyer preferences. So, whether you're on a budget looking for top-tier performance or something tailored for specific situations, I've got you covered. And if you'd like more details or the latest prices for any of the purifiers mentioned in this video, check out the links in the description below. Trust me, those are always up to date. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now let's jump in. Number 1. Container to make popcorn in the microwave. Enjoy healthier, gourmet popcorn with durable, temperature-safe borosilicate glass. No oil or butter is needed as hot air prevents burning. Melt butter with the dual-function lid for added flavor. Dishwasher safe and great as a gift. Ideal for snacks, movie nights, or game days. Use the lid to measure servings, microwave for 3 minutes or less, and explore endless snack possibilities. Save money by making homemade popcorn, avoiding pre-packaged bags with unwanted chemicals. Glass resists wear, doesn't absorb chemicals, and is BPA-free, hypoallergenic, and thermal shock resistant. Use with turntable microwaves, only fresh kernels, and avoid the popcorn button for non-toxic popcorn. Number 2. Multifunctional vegetable cutter. This enhanced mandolin slicer features a larger entrance and capacity, allowing you to slice, dice, and julienne vegetables safely and quickly. It offers 40-plus cuts adjustable from 0.1 to 8 millimeters without changing blades, ideal for meal prep. With a 3.9 x 4.7-inch feeding port and automatic rebound handle, it efficiently slices large foods like potatoes, tomatoes, and cucumbers. The rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blade ensures durability. Made from eco-friendly ABS with a stable, non-slip base, this slicer offers a 24-month replacement warranty and lifetime support. Dishwasher safe and compact for storage. It includes a cleaning brush for convenience. Number 3. 3-in-1 knife sharpener. This professional-grade sharpener is ideal for both Western and Asian knives with adjustable angles from 14 to 24 degrees. It sharpens and polishes knives in stages 1 and 2, with a third stage for scissors. Fine-tuning adjustment knob allows precise angle control for various knives. Made from ABS plastic, the handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. Thick rubber matting on the underside prevents slippage and adds sturdiness. Features diamond grit for sharpening and ceramic tips for polishing. Sharpen knives in under 15 seconds, with saved angle settings for quick use. Compact and easy to store. Number 4. Mini Manual Ice Crusher. This ice shaver machine is designed for ease of use, employing special frozen ice molds to reduce resistance during shaving, making it more energy efficient than other models. It includes one ice shaver and an ice cube mold, perfect for creating slushies, margaritas, and other fun drinks. The machine features durable stainless steel blades that are strong and rust-resistant, ensuring long-term use. For optimal performance, you must fill the provided ice molds with water, freeze them for 6 hours, and then use the resulting ice cubes. Using other small ice cubes may hinder the machine's functionality. Number 5. Airtight food storage containers. This vegetable and fruit storage container helps keep produce fresh longer with a vent system that regulates airflow and controls humidity, preventing spoilage. Its classified storage design, featuring adjustable partitions, keeps the fridge organized by preventing food from rotting or becoming soggy. Available in 3 capacities, it stores various fruits, vegetables, meat, and fish. The multifunctional design includes a bottom opening for draining water, doubling as a colander, and a filter tray to keep food elevated from moisture. Made from BPA-free, food-grade material, it's stain and odor resistant, making it a perfect holiday gift for family and friends. Number 6. Multipurpose Electric Frying Pan. The 2L Odd Cook Hot Pot Electric with Steamer is an 8-inch multifunctional pot with a 2.1-inch high rim, ideal for steaming and cooking simultaneously. The removable steamer insert allows for separate or combined cooking of vegetables and meat, preserving essential nutrients and flavors. It features dual power settings, 350W for light cooking like omelets and pancakes, and 800W for more robust tasks like steaming salmon or sautéing steaks. The pot's non-stick aluminum alloy coating is PFOA-free and easy to clean, while the food-grade BPA-free steamer ensures food safety. Its 360 degrees annular heating base ensures quick, even heating, with auto shut-off for overheating protection. Number 7. Electric Vegetable Cutter. The 80W high-torque DC motor of this electric cheese grater provides efficient slicing and grating, cutting through various ingredients quickly and effortlessly. Its 64mm wide feeding chute accommodates whole vegetables like potatoes and carrots, while the 83mm outlet enhances discharge for faster results. Equipped with 3 interchangeable blades, coarse shred, fine shred, and slicing, it handles fruits, vegetables, and even tough ingredients with ease. The quiet, space-saving design features an 800ml storage container and built-in blade storage. Easy to clean with a detachable design, this grater simplifies your cooking process, and its one-button operation makes it user-friendly for all skill levels. Number 8. Adjustable Rolling Pin. The Yasashii rolling pin features 4 adjustable and removable discs, allowing you to roll dough to 4 thicknesses: 1/16 inch, 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and 3/8 inch. Made from premium, durable beechwood, it resists abrasion and dries quickly after washing, making it less prone to bacteria and mold. This versatile tool is perfect for pastries, noodles, pizza, and bread, ideal for both seasoned bakers and beginners. With a measurement guide marked in both centimeters and inches on the rod, it ensures consistent dough portions. Sized at 17 by 2.7 by 2.7 inches, it adds convenience and precision to your kitchen tasks. Number 9. 3-compartment non-stick frying pan. This 3-in-1 grill pan features a SGS-approved, naturally non-stick surface that is 100% non-toxic, free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, and lead, ensuring safety for your family and the environment. The Swiss ILAG non-stick coating requires little oil and makes cleaning effortless with a simple wipe or rinse. The pan's 3 sections allow you to cook 3 different foods at once, with dividers to prevent mixing. Raised ridges provide perfect grill marks, while recessed circles are ideal for pancakes, burgers, and eggs. Made of durable die-cast aluminum, it's suitable for all cooktops and ensures even heat distribution. Number 10. Manual Vegetable Centrifuge. The quick push salad spinner makes washing, drying, and serving vegetables fast and hassle-free. With a one-handed pump handle and quick brake button, it uses high-speed centrifugal force to dry greens, herbs, and fruits in seconds. The 6.3-quart capacity is perfect for family-sized portions, and the collapsible handle allows for easy storage. Designed with a non-slip base and ring, it remains steady during use and works for both left and right-handed users. The bundle includes the spinner, a user manual, and 4 recipe ebooks. Ideal as a thoughtful gift, this multifunctional spinner is an essential kitchen tool for healthy meals. Number 11. Undershelf Storage Bins. This food storage set features a modular design that maximizes space, whether in a cupboard or on a countertop. It includes 5 clear plastic containers of various sizes, all of which stack neatly together. The largest container has a convenient scoop that stores securely on the underside of its lid. Each container has airtight lids with easy pull tabs and pour corners for effortless pouring. The scoop is designed to fit perfectly into the corners with a flat top for easy leveling. Ideal for storing a variety of dry foods, this set helps keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.